Oh my, someone rear-ended him. Hazardous. Yeah, it is flammable. Yeah. Maybe something popped. Some chemicals got mixed together and then... Good morning. It is 6:36 a.m. I am currently picking up a trailer right now. I need to see if this trailer is poo-poo or not, and whether or not the tires are completely bad. Because sometimes these tires have like scratches in them and then I have to call a mechanic. But once I like check everything over here, make sure everything's good and safe, this is actually going to Beaver Dam, Wisconsin.
There is currently light traffic on your route.
Oh, I gotta figure out where I think it's actually that building right there. I need to get the paperwork to see. To see what I am like actually calling. I don't know. Let's see. Now the GPS says I'll get there like at 1:37 p.m. What are you doing? Gosh, man. Come into my lane, but they don't know how to speed up and then come in. So I should get there around 1:37 p.m. I'd say, let's say 3:30 to be safe. I don't know. And then after I'm done delivering this one, which I should be today, I don't know where I'm going from that. I didn't get another delivery, so I feel like this will be a good day. If traffic like keeps up like this, where I have like, don't do it. Where I have like a mile of space between the truck in front of me, I just set the cruise control at 68 miles an hour. That's a good day. But then again, now it's 7:27 a.m. so I guess everyone's got the morning rush hour to go to work, so this isn't bad. I get a lot of questions of like, do I ever like get in a crash or like have ever come close to one? One time, that was when I was new. But lately, like, no. It's because like I like to stay at the back of the pack. Like you see how like they're all like forming a cluster right now, cars and the trucks, they're all in one big group. I don't want to be any part of that. Like, honestly, I'd rather go slow at 62 miles an hour and like be like way far back and away from people than to be like going like my top speed 68 miles an hour but then get caught in like something like that where we're just too close to each other. Because this is a dangerous job. Max weight like I can carry is 80,000 pounds. This 80,000 pounds behind you. Imagine having 80,000 pounds in your car. You'll be pumping the brakes. You cannot stop. This does not stop. And so I try and never forget that. These box trucks always give me like a nerve because they never like, look how close this guy is. Look how close this guy is to my mirror. They never like go to the left of their lane. They don't realize like how wide they are. Because like a semi-truck, like my truck, I think it's like 8 foot 6 inches wide. I mean, look at the semi-truck in front of us. It's taking up pretty much the whole lane. And then the box truck is taking pretty much the whole lane. Then I have these mirrors that stick out even further. If you're a box truck driver, whenever you're passing a semi, please move to the left of your lane, like ride the yellow line or close to it, like how I am right now. I don't want you to sideswipe my Kenny. Alright, I think we gotta pass this guy. I'm actually going 65. It's not bad, but and the thing is, like with these trucks, like my truck, top speed 68 miles an hour. Will not go faster. And then I think there's like there's been talk, I don't know if it's true, like in June, the beginning of June, like I guess they're gonna limit like all trucks, like every single semi truck can only go above a certain speed. It's like right now, like I'm passing like fine. Like usually, like imagine if every semi truck could go like max 65 miles an hour. You see how like this guy was like, I don't know if you can see it. You see how like this guy's passing me slow right now? Imagine that all over the highway. Across America, the whole country. And then he's got a line of cars behind him. I'll slow down for him. I'll slow down for him so like he can like get over. Like there are people, like truck drivers, there's like, no, I'm going 68 miles an hour. If you can't go faster, then I'm not letting you pass. I don't know what he's doing. Dude. Well, you can't pass that guy. Oh my gosh. Now this car is going to go in front of him, and then he's going to cut him off. Because the semi-truck didn't want to move over. Even though I like flashed my high beams at him to like move over. What happened here? Whoa. Oh my. Someone rear-ended him. Oh my god. The entire, like, the hood was completely crushed. I mean, my hood is like 5 feet long. I mean, that truck was just, there was no hood. I mean, it was like, it was up to the windshield wiper. Like, the hood is gone. That's insane. That's why I drive like grandma, though. I don't want that to be me one day, you know? Someone in the comments said this is the 8th most dangerous job in the world.
Took a back road today, in the end, almost ended up like a swift driver on a dirt road.
Just gotta be careful. I don't know what's going on here. Is there another accident? You better not cut me off, car. I've only driven like less than 5 minutes from the other accident. There's no way. 2 accidents within 5 minutes of each other. We'll see how long we're here. It is 10:15 a.m. right now. What are they saying? All I hear is shh. Let me ask what happened. Are both lanes open? North 65. Alright, so some people on the CB radio said a trailer caught on fire. And that it's on the shoulder, it's on the right side, on the right lane. So the right lane will be closed. These people don't want to let me in. And at like, we're gonna end up like right next to the trailer fire, and then everyone's gonna be cutting each other off because no one from the left lane wants to let the trucks in from the right lane. Traffic hazard near US 31 mile 191, right lane closed. Just like they were saying. Let's see. Who lets me in? Okay, this guy. Hey, this guy's gonna let me in. It is now 10:31. Going 13 miles an hour on the highway. Oh, I think this is it. That's the trailer that caught on fire, apparently. Another guy said it's been here since 4 a.m. Oh, you know what? That's probably like a hazmat materials. Probably a whole hazardous. Yeah, it is flammable. Yeah. Maybe something popped. Some chemicals got mixed together and then crazy. And we got out of it at 10:33 a.m. Not bad, 17 minutes. I actually have to find somewhere to eat lunch. Can I do truck stop or rest area? Let's do a truck stop. It's usually at 10:30 a.m. There's like no one at the truck stops. Okay, Garmin. Truck stop along my route.
Which result would you like?
Number 2. Start new route.
Going to Love's Travel Stop on West State Road 10 in DuPont, Indiana.
There it is. There's the Love's truck stop. Now hopefully there should be parking there. It is 10:09. What? I entered a different time zone. That's some trippy stuff right there. As it was
right on Indiana 10.
It was like 10:30 something. No, 10:10. I traveled back in time. That's another perk with this job. Professional time traveler driver. I cannot make that turn. What? Jesus Christ, man. What the guy, man. Almost an accident right there. Was that blue truck didn't wait for me to turn. I want to park as far away from people as possible. That's like whenever I go to the truck stop, that's what I do. Like the people that are parked right here, I never park because it's close to the store, it's close to the bathroom, so it's convenient. But then it's just, especially with the fuel being there, there's a lot of traffic and this is the entrance. I'm too scared of like this area like getting hit, so I don't park anywhere near this. I park, I'm fine walking 10 minutes to the actual store to use the bathroom. Let's go. Oh, let's get that corner. I don't know if I can get that corner spot. I'll get pretty close to it. I'll get close to it. I really don't know if I can get that. I don't know. Hey, I gotta make lunch. And I bought this new lunch. It's microwavable, but like it's literally like all natural food. So it's actually healthy. It's called Tattooed Chef. It works. It's in here. Now I don't know what I have left. I have cauliflower macaroni. I think this is tacos. Taco mix. I don't know what this is. Okay, now while that's going, I need to reply to your guys' comments. I'm gonna travel the world after I'm done with trucking. He says, like, at the end of 6 years, Alex, I will be here watching you explore the national parks in your RV, having millions of subs. My plan after trucking, which is like max 6 years, I mean, and I'm talking like that is legit, like max. The year 2028, I'm gonna be out of trucking by then. Look at this. This guy says 2022. I'll be here 6 years max. The year 2062. I'll be here until I can draw Social Security. Let's see how it turned out. Oh, it smells. What smells? It smells like. It smells like the Taco Bell mild sauce. After I'm done eating, we'll see where we end up. Then we'll go to Wisconsin. Should be only a couple hours away. Alright, I'll be back. We gotta start driving to Wisconsin. It says 3:12 p.m. We'll add an extra hour. It's raining right now, so you gotta go slow.
Turn left, then take the second left.
How do we get back onto the highway? Holy cow. What
Turn
is
left
that?
on Indiana 10, then exit right.
Oh my gosh. What is that? What is that? He's hauling a... Look at that picture of a duck. Anyway, you going? He's going. Alright. Come on. Come on.
Take the exit on the right to I-65 north towards
Come
Chicago.
on. Power! Let's see. Yeah, opening. Go! 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 Full! Uh-oh. Oh, stop. Go! Holy cow. I am going to take it extra slow right now. Look at how much water is spraying with his tires. That's how slippery the road is right now.
Sheboygan, Wisconsin to Pennsylvania, Michigan north. West of today, southeast winds 5 to 10 knots becoming east. Chance of rain showers through mid-morning, then slight chance chance of rain showers this afternoon. Waves 1 to 2 feet.
You know, the good thing about driving in the rain is that Kenny gets the truck wash. It's like a free wash, because I went through a dirt lot in I think it was New Jersey. It was a dirt lot, and this truck just got covered in dirt. It's disgusting. So now it should be better. I don't know what happened here, but there's another traffic. Is this gonna be the third accident of the day? It's raining like crazy. I bet someone went too fast and then they slipped on this the road. Well, now the speed limit's 70. I can't go 70. I can only go 68. Oh my gosh, man. You know what? This is actually nice going 68. Because at the old company I was with, they could only go 65 miles an hour. And I know, like, 3 miles an hour, like, Alex, really? It's 3 miles an hour. You're not exactly a sports car. I know. But you know, every little bit helps. Those 3 miles an hour add up, man. They add up. Those 3 miles an hour add an extra 3 times 10 hours a day, 30 miles. And then 30 miles a day times, say 6 days a week, 60, 120, 180. That 3 miles an hour gets me 180 miles an hour more per week. Every mile an hour help. Why is this guy going 62? I don't understand. Speed limit's 70. They're going 62. I don't. I don't understand. I don't. There's another traffic jam. What is that? The fourth one of the day? I'm supposed to pick up, I'm supposed to drop this one off today in Wisconsin and then pick up the next one today. But I don't know. I might just drop this delivery off and then just go to find a place to park for the night, because I don't think I have enough time. 2 hours 38 minutes. Alright, I'm about 2:46, 30 minutes away right now. I'm in farmland. So I remember the time where I got lost in here. I ended up on one of these farms. Like dirt road like that, like really narrow. Oh man, what does that say? There's a bridge that's 13 feet 8 inches tall. The truck is 13 feet 6 inches tall. That's tough. That's tough. That's the bridge, and there's a stop sign at the bottom of this steep hill. That is just a bad spot for a stop sign. Come on, Kenny. Use those brakes. Slow her down, slow her down, slow her down. Alright. Good. Good to go. Bump, 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 bump. Look at this nice little town. Just driving here in my semi-truck. Don't mind me. This is nice.
Okay, I called Laura. She's good. She's all clear. Glad that he said he'd load you tomorrow.
They don't fit. Whenever these cars park on the side of the road, I have to drive on the double yellow line because otherwise I'll sideswipe them, so they don't fit. Oh, there's a train. Oh, there's two trains. Are they gonna go? Or do I go? Oh, they're going. Okay, cool. What is that? Are we going? You guys saw... I guess they're waiting for traffic to pass. Alright, we are here. And I go in, I gotta check in, I gotta see where the heck they want me to drop this trailer at. And then I gotta hurry up, I gotta find an empty trailer that's ours, and then I gotta get the heck out of here. I have to drop this trailer off somewhere called B3. It is freezing. Oh, I'm in shorts and a t-shirt. Jeez, it was warm where I came from. Where is the B3? I have to pick one of these spots. I will park it next to here. I gotta back it up. The video does not show like me, like basically like if I film me. Alright, so you missed a lot of stuff. My GoPro died. And so news is I went there, I'm here now, I got an empty trailer. Now I gotta go make some food. Do I want like rice, vegetables, and chicken, or do I want like a chicken sandwich? I want the sandwich. A lot of chicken. A lot of chicken. I like this seasoning, if you can't tell. I have a sandwich with some chicken tenders. There we go.